Hi, my name is Chris Ehrman, and I am a partner at the law firm of Phillips Cohen. As part of its whistleblower program, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission will pay to a whistleblower between 10 and 30% of any monetary sanctions if the information provided leads to a successful enforcement action of over $1 million. In addition, if another agency brings an action based on that same information, a whistleblower is also eligible to receive between 10 and 30% of monetary sanctions collected by that agency if it also brings a successful enforcement action. At Phillips Cohen, we have attorneys who have worked with the CFTC and SEC for decades, and some of us have worked for the agencies themselves. I am the former director of the CFTC's Whistleblower Office. Before that, I spent 14 years in the SEC's Division of Enforcement. My partner, Sean McKessie, is the former chief of the SEC's Office of the Whistleblower. My partner, Erica Kelton, has been responsible for some of the largest whistleblower awards ever issued. While the SEC's jurisdiction is primarily over stocks and bonds and where they are traded, the CFTC regulates lesser-known financial instruments such as futures and swaps. The CFTC also has limited jurisdiction over some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The CFTC enforces the Commodity Exchange Act and agency regulations. The markets overseen by the Commission profoundly affect the U.S. economy and the prices individuals in the United States pay for food, energy, transportation, and most other goods and services bought each day. A wide variety of businesses such as manufacturers, retailers, farmers, and ranchers use these markets to manage routine commercial risk. For example, derivatives enable farmers to lock in a price for their crops, and utility companies or airlines to hedge the costs of fuel. While the SEC is a larger and better-known agency, the CFTC also has a robust whistleblower program and has awarded over $380 million to whistleblowers. Those awards are associated with enforcement actions that have resulted in monetary sanctions totaling more than $3.2 billion. Because of our in-depth knowledge of the CFTC, our attorneys can help you present your information to the agency in the best way possible. Like any other agency, the CFTC has limited resources and can only pursue a limited number of potential investigations. We will ensure that your information is communicated to the CFTC in the best way possible, giving it the best chance of leading to a successful enforcement action. We pride ourselves on taking on only high-quality matters with the best chance of success. If you have information that you think may be of interest to the CFTC or SEC, please contact Phillips Cohen for a no-cost, confidential case review.